Meaning of the English idioms backstreet and back alley. A backstreet is a small, quiet street in an older or poorer part of town. A street away from the main part of town. A less prominent or inferior location. A dark, out-of-the-way street where illegal dealings or clandestine meetings take place. An alley in English is a narrow passage behind or between buildings. The same terms I use to describe a back street can be used to describe a back alley. Back alleys are thought of as dangerous, dark places. The kind of places one is likely to be mugged. Back alley is also used as an adjective, as in back alley politics. Used this way, back alley means unethical, sordid, clandestine, or of a scheming and dishonest nature. Backstreet is often spelled as one word, but back alley is always spelled as two words, although it is sometimes hyphenated. Examples of use. The refugees were living in a narrow, dirty back street among rats and refuse. He spent his youth in the back streets of the city and ended up in prison. He led the police on an 80-mile-per-hour chase through the back streets of town. After associating himself with the type of back alley politicians that are more interested in their own gain than governing, he had a hard time pretending to be the voice of the people. Try to avoid back alleys and stay in the lighted areas, and you'll be safer. Origin of idiom. Backstreet and back alley have been used in English since at least the late 1800s. The word back is used in the sense of subsidiary or remote position.